guys, today we'll be unboxing a keyboard. At the back here, it says at the back, thin profile rugged good looks, low profile keyboard with standard layout, full size F keys and number pad, done profile, robuster fray looks. Oh, that's Afrikaans, never mind. Plug and play USB connection. Easy setup. Just plug your keyboard into a USB part of your desktop or laptop. Plug and play USB verbit. That's another part of Afrikaans. Feel good typing. Comfortable typing on whispered quiet keys with easy to read characters. Cool. It's called the K120 corded keyboard. Oh, for the Afrikaans people, I'm gonna try my best, okay? I'm gonna try my best. Toetsenbord met draad. Plug and play USB verbinding. Eenvoudige installatie. Sluit toetsenbord gewoon aan op een USB poort op uw desktop of laptop. I read that before that. And done profile met robuste fray looks. Vlak toetsenbord met standaard instelling. F-toetsen van volledig format en numeric toetsenblok. Comfortable typing op stille toetsen met eenvoudig te lezen tekens. There we go. Toetsenbord met draad. The K120 plug and play USB keyboard, plug and play USB toetsenbord. Yeah, by Logitech. Time to open. Here on my phone. Now I'm opening the keyboard. Cool. Bruh. Yeah, you can still stay here. Oh boy, okay. Open it like this. Oh, that's cool. Look at the inside, guys. Keyboard. Plastic. Brand new, guys. Oh wow. It actually came with a USB. The moment of truth, guys. Unwrapping. Oh, plastic. More plastic. Unboxing the USB keyboard. Ooh, look at this keyboard, guys. I can do numbers or letters. It has QWERTY UIOPASDFGHJKLZXCY VBNM. LMN. This isn't the wrong order, but it has backspace, F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11, F12, print screen, scroll lock, pause, break, insert, home, page up, delete, end, page down, up, this way, number lock, this, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, number lock, dash, star, minus, plus, enter, and dot, which means delete, 0 means insert, upside down, side. So many buttons. Oh, this is actually comfortable. Not like a laptop, like it's actually comfortable for the first time. Okay guys, thanks for watching my thingy. Not sponsored by Logitech, guys. Not sponsored by Logitech. Thanks for watching my video. If you like to like and please like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and come back to my channel for more videos. Bye. Subscribe, guys. I have something here. It's French fries. That's funny. Hacking. This is gonna be in my fan film. I know I've been promising you guys a lot of fan films, but this is definitely gonna be in my fan film. That sound, guys, of fix camera. Perfect. Nope. Perfect. I have a 10, guys, of my glasses. I will them too much. Lost a bed and got bit by 100 flies. I fell out of a big old tree. Hey, everyone. Remote! There we go. Is that ice? Let's see. Na 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 na. It's comfortable, guys. I review this. What a review, guys. What a review. I review this 10 out of 10. It's good. The keys you can press nicely, especially since it's Christmas. It's almost Christmas. It's Christmas season. 'Tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la. Guys, like, subscribe, hit the notification button. Bye. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. I said like and subscribe. Hit the notification button. Bye. 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 Bye.